My name is Marte Hentschel. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Sqetch, a Berlin and Amsterdam-based innovation agency and software provider active in the field of transparent and sustainable supply chains. And I'm here with my dear colleague Friederike, who is the director of the Beneficial Design Institute and professor for sustainable fashion at AMD Berlin.
Thank you.
And we believe that 2020-30 can be a platform to create a safe space for a very thriving ecosystem of bright minds around the globe. So we actually invited 2 weeks ago 50 experts from 16 different countries to co-create missions, strategies, and recommendations for policymakers and key industry stakeholders to enable a regenerative fashion system, because the EU textile strategy is about to be published just in 2 weeks from now. So we need a couple of pretty talented experts to lobby for good.
And just to put this a bit into the context of how we position ourselves with the 2020-30 summit, this is kind of where we aim to take a radical stance on the fashion future that goes beyond our current understanding of sustainability. And this year's topic of regenerative fashion systems challenges industry professionals to imagine ways in which we can continuously push our agenda forward, our understanding of sustainability to a new level.
Exactly. And there has been developed a pretty comprehensive set of strategies and roadmaps. And to make it a bit lively and introduce this in this format, we created a summary of the results of this pop-up think tank in a series of 3 videos. And we've been introducing 2 of them already in the past 2 days. And now we are going to look at the 3rd part of those summary results. Let's take a look at the video.
In light of the EU textile strategy, we invited diverse groups of international experts to 3 pop-up think tank workshops where together we devised missions, strategies, and action plans for policymakers that could enable a regenerative fashion system by 2030. Mission 3: align consumers, companies, and governments. Consumers, companies, and governmental bodies need to work together to increase value, improve product quality, systems, and services. Therefore, by 2024, we propose that current policies in education need to be assessed and revised, while multi-stakeholder and cross-border regenerative collaborations need to be enabled with the support of an advisory council. By 2026, policy coherence and interconnected operating systems need to be achieved, company training curriculums established, and automated team production enabled. By 2030, best practice of regenerative systems need to be incentivized and framed by regulation, and the distinction between consumers and producers minimized by prosumer models and local innovation labs. Join the community and subscribe to our newsletter on www.202030summit.com. Thank you for watching, and if you're curious to find out more about the results of our call for regenerative fashion systems, please check out the videos and download the presentations on our website. Spread the word, and see you at the 2020-30 The Berlin Fashion Summit.
So this was the 3rd part of a series of 3 of the missions that we were working on in these pop-up think tanks. And I really want to thank all the participants, facilitators, and creators of this collaborative action. And I want to invite everybody to get on board on this community work. We are continuously doing these pop-up think tanks as preparation for the summit, and want to invite you to get on board for the next edition.
See you around. Thank you.